How to use Trust and Will digital probate properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Trust and Will provides digital probate services, but beginners often make mistakes that slow the process or create legal complications. You won't believe how small errors can delay inheritance or court approvals. The first mistake is not having accurate estate records. Digital probate relies on complete documentation of assets, debts, and beneficiaries. Missing or incorrect information can trigger court delays. Another common error is failing to notify heirs and interested parties properly. Probate requires formal notices to beneficiaries, creditors, and courts. Skipping this step can invalidate parts of the process. Many users overlook state-specific probate rules. Each state has different procedures, forms, and timelines. Relying on generic guidance can lead to rejected filings. Neglecting to monitor deadlines is another pitfall. Probate often involves strict timelines for claims, taxes, and court filings. Missing dates can create penalties or disputes. Finally, some assume digital probate eliminates legal oversight. Complex estates, trusts, or disputes often require professional review. Use Trust and Will as a streamlined tool, but involve an attorney when needed. To use Trust and Will digital probate properly, maintain accurate estate records, notify all parties correctly, comply with state rules, monitor deadlines, and consult professionals when necessary. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and probate will proceed efficiently while protecting your loved one's interests.